Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's asynchronous lesson. Today's our health day, so we are going to go through several links today, several steps on the way to getting through today's full lesson. All right, you've clicked on our first link here for my introduction. We'll talk just a little bit about how class is going to work today before we get you off to your health video. When you go to your health video slides today, there are two short videos. One's a couple minutes long and one's about 3 minutes long. So they're very short. They're going to talk to you today about protein, one of the nutrients that we get from food. Going to talk about what protein is, what are some of the things that protein does for your body, and why it's so important that you eat protein, and where might I get good protein from. Make sure you watch both of those videos within that health video link. And we'll go into our warm up, do some stretching and warming up, getting ready for some activity. And of course, since it's Tuesday, we'll get your A to Z letters out there and you will spell out some words for this week. All right. Well, you've been doing a great job on spelling out those words. Today we'll spell some words through exercise that have to do with our health lesson. After your A to Z activities, we will do our cool down, stretches, and start to bring those muscles back to normal after your workout. After your cool down, I'll pop back on in the last link and we will wrap up our class for the day. Make sure you click on each link. Remember the health video, there's two short videos in there. Make sure you watch them both. Click on all of the links and go through them in order all the way through to our wrap up. Enjoy your health day activities, and I will see you soon in our next synchronous Zoom meeting. Have a great workout, guys.